When times were tough back in 35, that's me and Uncle Joe trying to survive a cotton farm in the Great Depression. If it looks like we were scared to death, a couple of kids just trying to save each other, should have seen it ain't over. On this one here was taken overseas in the middle of 1943 in the wintertime. And I want to see my bread. And that's my tail gunner road. Johnny McGee was a high school. New Orleans, he had my back. The day we left. It didn't look like we were scared to death. Couple of kids just trying to save each other, should have seen it in color. A picture's worth 1,000 words. Can't see what those ships greatly cover, should have seen it in color. This one here's my favorite one. Me, Grandma, in the summer sun, all dressed up. Day we set our fight. Can't tell it here, but it was hot that June. Rose was red, rice was blue, and just look at that smile. I was so proud. That's the story of my life. Right there in black and white. If it looked like we were scared to death, couple of kids just trying to save each other, should have seen it in color. A picture's worth 1,000 words. Can't see what those ships greatly cover, should have seen it in color.